welcome or welcome back, and today I have my Stitch Fix for you guys. I'm a little excited about this one. I had asked my stylist for some possibly colored denim or colored shorts and some springtime shirts. So I'm curious to get in here and see which she gave me. So, as always, packaged all nice. It looks like I have a bag of shoes this time, or again, I seem to be getting those a lot lately. Prepaid envelope, styling note, prices. I always like to open up the prices and see if my stylist is just the same, and it is Victoria right here. So let's just start with the bag of shoes. Oh, I see some red. Oh, these are bright red. Okay, so here these are Dolce Vita. Very cute. I'm afraid that these are gonna be kind of far back, and I'm not sure how that'll work with my foot. I have a higher arch, and sometimes these straps, when they're too far back, they don't work well with my feet. So we'll see about those. And then here's my tiny little bundle. See some pretty things in there. Okay, first up are these Dear John shorts. These look like they might be a little short. We'll have to see. They're kind of a green, and they have a diamondy pattern in them. Kind of a weave. Those are cute. Okay, I'm liking what I'm seeing. A little white button up. So it looks a little bit cropped. So we'll have to see about that one. I like the colors in this. Pretty floral, sleeveless. And it is more of a cotton, not a polyester, so I like that. I like that. I hope that looks good on, because I think I will like that one. And some more red. I see a little bit of a theme going on here. I'm not sure what I would wear with those shorts. Have to see. Not that Stitch Fix usually coordinates their clothing, but look at that bag. That's super cute too. This is very see-through. I can see the camera through it, so I definitely have to wear a tank underneath that. But right, let's get to trying this stuff on and see what we think about it. Okay guys, here's what I'm gonna call outfit number one. The shorts are a little bit shorter than I normally wear. And I usually like pockets on my back, but I love the color. And they feel very comfy. I just can't see if they're fitting correctly. I'll have to really look at my mirror and see if they're pulling in certain spots. But I love the color. I love the little pattern that's in it. It's like more of a checkerboard pattern. I think I said it was more of a diamond pattern in the pulling out of the box, I guess. But it's actually more of a checkerboard pattern. So I do like the shorts. I'm just going to have to really look at them and see if I like the way they fit and if they're looking okay. The shirt is actually not as short as I thought it was going to be. I just feel like it's maybe making me look a little broad here. And I think that has a lot to do with the way it's supposed to be more of a slouchy top. And I'm not sure that's working on me. It's very light and breezy, so I think it would be really cool in the spring and summer. And the pattern on it is very sweet and cute. Like little bouquets of flowers around and stuff. I'm just not sure how I feel about it. So I'll have to re-look in the mirror and really see. Here's shirt number two. I do like the pattern. I love the colors. I am a blue and red type of person, so I do like that. And again, I will leave the brand name, the style name, and the price in the description box for you guys. I do like this one. I'll have to think about it and see if it's something that I truly love, but overall I love the pattern. It'd be a great shirt for spring and summer, so it's one of those I'm going to have to think about. I definitely wouldn't be wearing them with these pants if I decide to keep them, but I do like it. So let's try the next one on. Okay guys, here are these shoes. They're not fitting me properly. The first strap is really, really tight, and I can't get my foot all the way into it. And it might even have to do with the second strap, but then that's a little bit loose. So for me, they're not for me. They are a very bright red leather. But I wanted to give you guys a little look-see so that you could see in case you would like to request them for you. So there they are. Guys, last and final shirt. It is adorable. It has this cute little embroidery covering up the buttons down here. and some cap sleeves. It is 100% rayon, so it does say dry clean only, which that throws me off right away, because for something casual like this, if it gets dirty, I'm not going to want to run to the dry cleaners every time I possibly wear this. So for me, that's not for me. And then the second is the sleeves. I'd rather have the sleeve or no sleeve. I'm not big on a cap sleeve. But it fits nice. It's very comfy for those of you who don't mind the dry cleaning. I love it. It's just the dry clean right away. As soon as I saw that, I knew that it was not going to be in my closet. But overall, adorable. All right, okay, guys, so I think the two items I will possibly be keeping will be the second shirt I tried on, the blue sleeveless with the floral going down the front, and then these shorts. I'm just going to have to retry them on, see if they fit me really nicely, if I like the way they fit me. It's hard to see sometimes when I'm filming because it's just a small little viewfinder, and honestly, I do not look in the mirror when I do that. So I'm going to retry those on, see how I think they fit, and if I like the way they fit, those will probably be the two I keep. I do have the shorts with me, and I want to just see if I could get a better angle and show you guys the pattern on them. It's showing up on my end. Don't know if you guys can see it good on there, but it's a checkerboard pattern, almost like a gingham pattern with a checkerboard pattern on them. I am loving these. I love the color. And they're actually more of a little bit of a sagey green. I was saying blue before, but the more I'm looking at them, they're more green. So if these I decide look good on after I retry them on, these will definitely be in my closet. I don't have anything like that. So yeah, I think those are the two things. The other things, the dry clean only, just not for me. I think the other one just made me look a little bit broad in the shoulders, and then the shoes didn't fit properly. So possibly two items from this box. So I think that's it, guys. I hope you guys have a great week. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.